Today we're going to be working on rollbacks. Now the rollback, what you're saying is, hey, I'm going to roll back into a fence. I'm going to roll back into a rail. Now there's multiple reasons that we can do this. For a more finished horse, I could really use it to get them sitting down on their butt and crossing over their front end. Miss Nakoma here, she is the winner of our Bad Horse Bucking Challenge. And we're going to use it for her to keep her soft and keep her guessing in with us. So what we're going to use is to really shut down her buck. If you have a horse that surges, you can do it as well. If you have a horse that rears, you can do it as well. But basically everything that's not beneficial to your health happens in a straight line. Bucking, running, rearing. The rollback will give you some kind of repercussion where that horse has to think about you, and instead of you arguing with them in a straight line, you have the ability to roll them back to the rail.